This contemporary two-story home features elegant touches and thoughtful additions that make it unique. With a spacious kitchen, formal dining area, living room, family room, and an additional area with potential to be a fifth bedroom, you'll not be short on space in this home. The family room features a brick fireplace where you can cozy up and stay warm all winter long. The large kitchen includes a breakfast space as well as cabinets with roll-out shelving. Between the kitchen and the garage is where you'll find the designated laundry room and half-bath combination. The West Addition contains 2 bedrooms and a finished basement that would make the perfect place for a guest. On the upper level, the master bedroom boasts a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. The remaining 3 bedrooms include plenty of additional storage space built into the house. With 2 lots included in the property and mostly wooded, semi-private setting will give you a rural feeling with all the perks of living in the city. Come and see everything that this amazing home has to offer. Call Tom Kahneman while it's still here.